The judge announced the verdict to a packed courtroom in Cairo. The three main defendants, including former BBC journalist Peter Greste, had been waiting 6 months for a decision on their fate. But when it came, it was not what they wanted to hear. Peter Greste is sentenced to 7 years in prison. The defendants were stunned by the severity of the sentence. Others in the courtroom were also surprised. Many said the prosecution had presented no credible evidence against the defendants. Outside, disbelief and confusion also among friends and relatives.
If they have found any evidence, how many years they could give him? For nothing, they give him 7 years.
The Australian government...
Australia also expressed shock at the verdict.
In the Peter Greste case, we are deeply dismayed by the fact that a sentence has been imposed, and we are appalled by the severity of it. It is hard to credit that the court in this case could have reached this conclusion.
The trial has sparked huge international interest. Another 9 defendants, including 2 British and a Dutch journalist, were tried in absentia and given 10 years in prison. The case has also raised concerns about the future of democracy in Egypt. But Egyptian officials deny the verdict was political and say it has nothing to do with freedom of speech.